Right, Jimmy, what have we got?
Today we got pizza. Today we're gonna test the new pizza oven.
Nice. Just turned up today, eh?
Yeah, just turned up today.
And temperature, what temperature you got?
150.
Yeah?
150.
That's
yeah.
good?
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah.
What sort of pizzas you made up? Just easy?
Yeah, easy Simple. One. Yeah, I got bacon and mushroom. Just bacon and mushroom, and then this one just pepperoni.
Nice. And so we've got it on the
On a large fire pit.
large fire pit with
charcoal underneath.
yeah.
So it's.
And that's 1 full scoop of Gidgee charcoal in there.
That's right. Yeah.
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 And what do you reckon? A couple of minutes?
Yeah, just a couple of minutes. Yeah. Yeah, and then you do it.
What do you think, Mikey? Not bad?
No, real good. I'm looking forward to a couple of pizzas out of it.
You're going to do a review tomorrow night, aren't you?
I'm going to do a review, yeah.
Proper review.
A proper review.
Yeah, like a proper one. Alright. Pretty easy, eh? What I love about this pizza oven is it's very compact. You can see the handle's recessed. Goes straight on top of the fire pit. And super easy. Lightweight, only 5 kilos. And also fit on the medium fire pit too, Jimmy, eh?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Well, big day today. Bloody hungry, I can tell you. 6 o'clock this morning, me and Kaito were down.
Yeah.
Unloaded 1,000 of these.
Ooh. Getting there, getting there.
How's the wine? Juicy. You had a big day too?
Yeah, too busy. Yeah, yeah, every day busy.
So busy fit out, isn't
So
it?
busy fit out. Yeah.
Well, what truck are you working on?
I got Nissan Patrol and
Yeah.
then Toyota 26.
Yeah?
Yeah, and also a van.
And a what?
A van.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Little man. How was your day, Mikey?
Yeah, pretty busy. Got a bit done.
Been doing a bit of everything today, weren't you?
Yeah, a bit of a mix up.
Had you on errands running everywhere, didn't
Yeah, even a bit of gardening.
Yeah. Were you, Danny? Got your little flashes of rat with a gold tooth, Mikey, eh? Flashes of rat with gold teeth.
Happier than a dog with 2 tails.
Busy day. Oh, it's starting to melt now.
Yeah, it's starting to melt now. Let me see. Ooh, almost ready.
Not far. Let charcoal be right for
Yeah, good.
half an hour, an hour.
Yeah, half an hour. You probably can make 5 or 6 pizza easy.
This is the bag. A really nice bag for it. Did black, mostly going to be black. Made in canvas shop. Ready-made bag and a sleeve for the stone. The stones in the boot liner bag. Right, Jimmy, what's going on, mate?
Let's check and have a look.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
it's
New
really,
pizza oven. Oh, wow. You want to throw the other one in?
Yep, let's throw that one in.
Trying out the new Stockton pizza oven. We just got one scoop of charcoal in there, and the secret is just a little bit of couple little sticks, very dry, just to give it that bit of flame, Jimmy. Eh?
Yeah.
Look at that. Flame's the key, just that tiny bit. You're up around 200 degrees. That seems to be about the temperature. Eh?
Alright, I'm gonna cut now, yeah?
All right. Oh, that base sounds good. That'll fit on the large and even the medium fire pit. 5 kilos, nice and compact. Look at that. What's the bottom like? Show us the bottom. Oh, Jimmy, perfect. Oh, yeah. All right. Nice. 5 kilos, nice and compact. Look at that. And you just buy these bases, did you, Jimmy?
Yeah, just buy it. Yeah. So easy when we take camping, you know, we don't have to make it.
Well, it only takes a couple of minutes to cook.
Yeah, couple of
2-3 minutes to cook.
Okay, couple of time.
So good with the temperature gauge, eh? Because then you know exactly what's going on.
Correct, yeah.
Not too hot or not hot enough.
Alright, Mikey. Oh. Oh.
Thank you.
How's that, Millie? Good?
Not yet.
Haven't tried it yet?
It's hot.
Good, Mikey?
Hey, that's real good.
Well done, Jim Bob.
Beautiful, Jimmy.
Very cool. Amazing, chef.
Oh, that looks so good.
You're finally good. Good.
Feed your tribe. Oh, thank you, bro. Oh, yeah, that's it. So easy.
So easy, yeah.
Oh, look
Very
at
easy,
that.
yeah.
Cooks perfect, eh?
Yeah.
I don't need to have a chimney and all that stuff, eh?
No,
Yeah.
that's good.
That's the secret, that little bit of timber, eh?
Timber, yeah.
This is the secret, just some nice dry, this is our fence post. So keep a bit of that nice and small. Just want that little bit of flame. Luigi taught me that, eh?
Yeah, Luigi.
Yeah, remember
that's
that?
the
Out in the
technique,
desert? Simpson
yeah.
Desert?
Yeah, Luigi, yeah.
He taught us that.
He's a fisherman.
Righto, we'll get into it. Thank you, Jimmy.
You're welcome.